fantastic!
Well, I've always said there's nothing nicer than traveling by train. It's fast, cheap, and most important of all, absolutely safe.
Yes, I couldn't agree more. Just look at the view.
Typical Uncle Fax. Hey, there's a tunnel ahead!
Wow, that was... Hey, that guy is gone!
And our things are gone, too! Completely empty, not a trace!
Uncle Fax, wake up!
Leave him, Foxy! Come on, let's go get him by ourselves!
Okay, Fix, let's go for it!
Let's go!
Did you see him, Fix?
I didn't see anything.
He won't escape from us.
Tickets, please.
Our tickets?
They're in our luggage, and it's been stolen from us, and...
That's what they all say.
But it's true!
Oh, he stole everything from us.
Have a nice day, fellas.
Hey!
Now we can forget about our luggage.
Oh, no, we won't. Come on! Come on, Foxy! Locked!
Now what do we do?
Just one more carriage. Phew! Uncle Fax must be joking, saying train journeys are safe. Come on, Foxy! It's your turn!
But I can't jump as good as you. Oh!
Okay, this is the right wagon. Can you hold me tight?
Well, it looks like it was worth it.
Cuckoo!
Hey! I'll get you guys.
This is outrageous! Whoa! Out of the way! Thank you! Quickly, I got an idea!
Aha! Hurry up!
I've got you guys now. Hey! What are you doing there? Hey! I'll get you!
Looks like he's reached the end of the line.
Showed him.
Not you again.
We've got our tickets.
That's what they all say.
Here you are.
Well, have a good trip then.
I'm too tired to sleep.
Me too.
Yeah. Traveling by train really is the safest way to travel.